Hi, congratulations for joining us as a member. So now you can download the IBS, which is a very useful back office at your phone Play Store or the Apple App Store. Okay. So you will see this is the logo of the IBS. You can search by IBS Elken. So once you download and install and click it, okay, then for the first time, you will need to key in your member ID and the temporary password that you received through your SMS. So key in the temporary password first, and the system will prompt you to change it and set your own password. Okay. So after you key in, just click the login. Okay. Then the system will prompt you to set your password for the first time. So the password must contain at least 6 alphanumeric characters with at least one uppercase alphabet. Okay, just remember to set it and record down, and you click reset password. And yes, your password has successfully changed, and now you can log in with your member ID and your new password.